practicing Tai Chi in the elements, allowing the energy to flow through me, feeling the raindrops, connecting to the wind and the sounds within. This is a wonderful way to train. This earth is truly beautiful, and getting a chance to connect to the nature deepens the sensation of Tai Chi, especially with the beautiful, serene movement, connecting the joints, opening the body, connecting to the root, the mind, the heart, the spirit, getting a chance to work within the elements is truly one of a kind. So next time it's raining, don't think, I gotta get inside. Think, I gotta get outside and feel and experience this wonderful thing called Mother Nature as a part of our exploration of our mind and our body. Truly feel within the power that you have and the power of nature. Go do some Tai Chi.